guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, you're most welcome. This is your girl Rita Wedgie, the happy soul, and in today's video it's gonna be so unique. No one has ever done this.
I swear no one has ever done this.
So this is a campus tour at Hebrew University. Yes, who is excited to know about our campus? I mean, who is excited to see how our campus looks like? This is Hebrew University. As you see, I'm walking, I'm going towards the main gate. Yes, here, so please come follow me, come with me as we tour the campus. Yay! I'm heading to the main gate, guys, and this is how the view looks like. It's really hectic. I'm heading to the main gate. Yeah, I'm really tired. Yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, now this is the main gate. I'll show you the front view. This is the main gate, guys. The Robert H. Smith Faculty of Agriculture, Food and Environment. Okay. This is how the environment looks like. It's the Barrow and Agnes Ginges, Australia Library Information Center. This is it. Okay, we shall not enter, but I've shown it to you. It has a lot of butterflies. I don't know if you're able to see it. We are going to the cafeteria where they sell food, eat, drinks, and all that. Who doesn't want to eat? Everyone wants to eat. I am one of them. So, should you go buy something? This is the cafeteria. Okay. This is where we sit outside or inside to have something. Cafe Levis. So guys, let's talk about Hebrew University, especially the Rehovot campus that I'm at. So it is really a very beautiful campus. It is academically, it is the best. By the way, it is the best in Israel. It is the best in Israel academically, and it takes students from agricultural courses all over the world, both international and within the country. So if you really want to come, you can apply through their link that I'll put down below in my description. So guys, yeah, I'm just chilling. Yeah. Where guys sit in case the library is full or someone wants to sit outside. They can sit here and read, plug in their cables. And this is the School of Nutritional and Domestic Science building. auditorium. You can sit outside just you're tired of class. This is also a drinking point. Vet school. You know what they do? Come, let's find out. The Department of Animal Sciences. So this is a building for animal science students. It has very many laboratories under animal science. School of Veterinary Medicine. I hope you have enjoyed the tour, and please, if you did so, drop a comment. Let me know how you felt about the video. I'll be expecting you back in more yet other videos like this. I love you.